Hey buddy, Pineapple Dan here with a front garden update. Here's a windmill palm planted about 5-6 years ago, maybe 7, and anyhow transplanted from the Burlington house to this one and really put on growth. It takes about 2 to 3 years for them to really sink in and establish, so really happy. This was the year for that. Musabashi at the back put on a lot of pups, significant growth as well, some rose bushes, hostas, indigenous things to really just complement, the growth. So this one stands around 10-11 feet. No flowers. I'm fine with that. Over here we got some Abyssinian reds, elephant ears, Sabal Minors. This Sabal Minor got cut back significantly this year, but put on some nice growth. Sort of resumed, so really happy and pleased. And of course, over in the front we have a nice Pindo Palm. Got beat up a little bit, not very happy with me, but a lot of nice growth nonetheless in the middle. So a lot of new green fronds have emerged, probably about 4 of them, maybe 5, but I'll stick with 4. And again, just really acclimatizing to things here, but overall a very nice looking tree. Anyhow, there's the front.